If you want to adjust the sound, so the equalizer, bass and treble on your Samsung TV, it's really easy to do so. So this is a 7 Series TV, 65 inch. So first things first, we need to go into the settings menu. I'm using this remote control, so we have a little button here. If not, just do it via the on-screen menu. So I'm going to go to settings, and I need to go down to sounds. I'm going to be using the arrows to navigate and that to enter. And I'm going to go across to expert settings. So go down to expert settings, enter, and I'm going to go to equalizer. And if you have a look here, we have the bass on the left hand side going all the way to the treble. So you can see all the different frequencies there, and you can simply adjust them by moving up. So this will be more bassy. Go to the next one. You can move that up. So you can have a play around with it and see what you think. So let me put the volume up. And now if I go over here and put the treble up, hopefully you can hear the difference. And then we could put the bass right down. So you can do it however you like. If, for example, you've been messing around and you don't like it and you want it back to default, you can just go to reset. If you like it like this, you would just go to close. If you want it back to what it was before, just go to reset, enter, and then that will put it all back to the default, which on this one is just all across the middle there. So that's it. You can have a little play around with it and see what you think, and you can do it to sound good for your ears in your particular room that is in. You didn't just go to close, and then you can exit out of that there. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.